Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have another Bibbidi unboxing. If you are unfamiliar with Bibbidi Boxes, they are a monthly subscription box that is mailed to your house. They do them in Disney, Marvel, Harry Potter, Star Wars. And they range from $9.99 for stickers and decals all the way up to $2.99 for multiple designer items. And I land kind of in the middle. I get the Ultimate Magic Box, which is $119, and that's perfect for me. So the way it works is you fill out this preference sheet. You put down your likes, your dislikes, collections you have, favorite characters, characters you don't like, clothing sizes, if you want to get food in your box. And the more specific you are with your preference sheet, the better your box is going to be suited for you. In addition to the preference sheet, every month Bibbidi sends out a list of items that are available for you to put on your wish list. And you can pick items from that list. It doesn't mean they'll be in your box, but there's a fairly good chance that they will be. Now, I like to be surprised, so most of the time I don't even look at the wish list, and I still get a really solid box. Amazing box, really, because I think my preference sheet is very, very, very detailed. So this is actually my August box. I got it right before we went on vacation and brought it up, didn't open it, came back home, was getting settled in, and I got stung on the head by a hornet. Now, stinging insects and I do not mix for several days. Basically, the right side of my face was swollen. I looked like Sloth from the Goonies, so I was not filming any videos. But here we are now, let's get into it. I got my scissors, got my orange cat. I was doing so well. I was like, oh, this is the best opening I've ever had. Nope. Okay, so on the top, of course, there's a packing slip. I will save that for later. And we have some pink tissue paper with the Bibbidi sticker. Get in there. Mystery. I don't know what any of this is. All right, so this looks like a bigger item. All right. There is a smaller item. Oh, okay. So, it's the red box, so you know it's a Jim Shore. See what Jim Shore is. No peeking, no peeking. It's a pretty good start for the small item, right? All right. Now for some very distracting styrofoam noise. Oh, just so cute. So it's another little Marie. One of the things I have in my preference sheet is that you can never go wrong with Disney cats for me. I love cats. And here she is. Look how precious. She's holding a little pink heart. Look at the detail on the heart. I mean, look at the look on her face. Just her little bow. Oh, she's just darling. And look, they even have her little pink toe beans. What's better than a little cat bean? Nothing. Oh, that's precious. Look, she's like blushing. Oh, she must have gotten this heart from a suitor. A handsome young cat, perhaps. right, so far so good. All right, next item. Now I think this is a bag, so I'll do that one last. I'll get this other box guy out. No idea what this is. There I am again, trying to find clues. No clues. No cheating. No cheating. More squeaky styrofoam. Oh. It is a mug, first of all, clearly. It is a cauldron mug. And most importantly, it is an evil queen cauldron mug. Get a load of this. Belle, you're not helping. And I got an orange cat. Belle. Belly. 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 What are you doing? Good help. Hard to find these days. So, it says the evil queen, fairest of them all at the bottom. And on the other side, it has her making her poison apple, and it says, "Don't be scared." How amazing is that? I have gotten some really awesome mugs and chalices lately. For a mug, it's extremely detailed. This is really, really nice. And it's almost spooky season, so this will be perfect. All right, what else do I have? A lot of foozles. There's a lot in this box. So we got this little baggie. And it's earrings. I love earrings. I don't know if you know that about me, but I love, love, love earrings. So they're a Disney Parks Resort exclusive, and I believe they are Pirates of the Caribbean earrings. If I can get them to look at you. Look, they're the skulls. Oh, these are, I love these. So you probably don't know this about us. We don't vlog a lot from Magic Kingdom. But when we do go to Magic Kingdom, we go left. The first ride we ride almost every time is Pirates. We head straight to Adventureland, straight to Pirates. That's just kind of tradition. That's where we start. So definitely one of my favorites. Loved the movies, especially the first one. That's probably one of my all-time favorite movies. That was really good. I am really digging these. These are very cool. Can't wait to rock those on my next trip. All right, and there's one more item. One more item. All right. I already saw a little spoiler. Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh. You know this? Y'all, I'm gonna be so ready for Halloween. It is the most adorable Nightmare Before Christmas bag. As Disney, Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas, and then get a load of this. This is where it buckles on the other side. It's Jack's face. So, on the outside, you have all of the characters. Jack, Sally, Zero, the mayor, Lock, Shock, and Barrel. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so Halloween-y and perfect. Almost can't stand it. And then the inside, You should see my dining room after I open these boxes. I just end up with paper and stuffing and foozles everywhere. So you know Loungeflies have really cute linings, and this one's no exception. You can see it, but it's zero. It's purple with like little white zeros all over it. So cute. I really love this. It has a cute little side pocket in here that buttons for smaller items, and then the whole thing zips. I love the crossbody. When I'm at home, I usually either carry a tote or a crossbody. Those are my two go-to styles. Look. Love. Such a great box. Another great box. I can't. Every single month, Bibbidi sends me the most amazing box of things that I love, and it's almost like I have like an elf on the inside letting them know what to get me, because it couldn't be more perfect if my friends or family bought these things for me. Honestly, they do that good of a job. All right, let's check out the packing slip. So my box was curated with love by Amanda. Thank you, Amanda. It has my Disney Parks exclusive Pirates of the Caribbean dangle coin earrings, which are $14.99. My Disney Villains The Evil Queen Black Kettle 3D mug, $21. My Disney Traditions Jim Shore Marie Holding a Heart figure, $26. And my Nightmare Before Christmas Loungefly crossbody bag, $70, for a grand total of $131.99. So not a bad value. So what did you guys think? What was your favorite item? Was it the Loungefly? Was it the mug? Was it the Marie Jim Shore? Was it the earrings? Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye. What happened to my hair?